In this video I'm going to show you how to get a face mask on your Bitmoji on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat app and then hit at the top left corner on your Bitmoji. Next, tap at gear icon to open up settings and there hit at Bitmoji. Next, tap at choose a selfie and here you can see a bunch of different selfies and there just scroll down until you got some selfies that including masks, so you can switch between that selfies and then just hit down to apply new selfie to your Bitmoji. Now you can go back at your profile page, hit there at Bitmoji to see that mask on your face. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.